There are many dishwasher products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best dishwashers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Mini Dishwasher. Rating 4.4. He countertop dishwasher ideally provides 5 washing programs: standard cleaning, fast cleaning, eco cleaning, strong cleaning, and fruit cleaning. The water temperature from the upper and lower spray arms can reach a temperature of 167 degrees Fahrenheit, giving your tableware and cutlery a complete streak-free deep cleaning. Fast cleaning lets you clean items in only 29 minutes. If you want the advantage of portability and storage, this dishwasher allows you to fill the built-in water tank, so you don't need a water hookup. Number 4. Ecure Portable Dishwasher. Rating 4.4. Countertop dishwasher supports 7 wash programs: heavy, norm, eco, speedy, infant, glass, and fruit modes for your various dishwashing needs. An extra store mode offers 72-hour ventilated storage to prevent odors and keep your dishes clean. Fruit basket is included so fruit and vegetables can be cleaned, ready to serve directly from the dishwasher. It has the function of soaking fruits, which can clean the fruits thoroughly. LED touchscreen display is angled to face you, increasing visibility and ease of use. Number 3. Navit Compact Dishwasher. Rating 4.5. This countertop dishwasher supports 2 water supply modes, including a faucet mode and water tank mode. A built-in 5 liters water tank allows instant use when fully filled. The automatic water level indicator lets you know when the correct water level has been reached. To use the faucet mode, simply connect the water inlet hose to the machine and faucet. This compact dishwasher offers 5 wash cycles: normal, speed, soft, baby care, heavy, and fruit. The baby care heavy mode with 167 degrees Fahrenheit washing temperature is suitable for baby products and oily tableware, which rinses them thoroughly and gives glassware a sparkling clean finish. When you are in a hurry and want your dishes ready faster, select speed mode, which cleans dishes in just 29 minutes. The automatic air circulation helps to dry dishes so that you can use immediately. Number 2. Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Rating 4.5. The LED digital controls show a clear picture view of wash controls, and the automatic water level indicator lets you know when the correct water level has been reached. If you want the advantage of portability and storage, this dishwasher gives you the 2 choice to fill by the built-in tank or a water hose. Water hose is included, adapter included. Pods, liquid or powder detergents are all acceptable, and it's recommended to only use detergent tablets. Number 1. Built-in Dishwasher. Rating 4.9. The MIDI built-in dishwasher boasts a slim body that takes up minimal space and is easy to fit. It features a digital control panel with an LED display and has been thoughtfully designed to accommodate larger plates, pots, and pans up to 11 inches in height. The hygiene wash cycle maintains the water temperature at 136 degrees Fahrenheit, 58 degrees centigrade, max, which can tackle even the heaviest soiled dishes. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you, so subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.